Now, KSPR weather.
Storm Vision 3D Doppler radar this evening. We're dry, few drops out there that may not be showing up on the radar right now, but for the most part we're dry for now. That's again going to change over the next 24 hours. We've had a light shower or two move from Joplin back up towards the north now, making its way into Liberal, and then as you head back into eastern Kansas, this is all rain. Where it is just a mess, the entire state of Oklahoma right now is just a mess. Blizzard warnings in effect from Oklahoma City back towards the west. Heavy snows falling here. You saw that video at the top of the newscast. Winds 20, 30, 40 miles per hour and gusting even higher. Snow drifts in Oklahoma up to 20 feet possible. I mean, we are talking snow drifts of just insane amounts because the wind is blowing so hard and there's so much snow in the air. It is just nuts. We're not going to see this here, but we are going to see some heavy snow in our viewing area. Here are the way the watches and advisories are as of right now. The newest advisories are winter storm warnings from Barton to Cedar to Hickory County, then back up towards Benton, St. Clair, Vernon, and Bates counties. This is the area that will likely see some of the heaviest snow amounts, and the other area where we will start with maybe a little bit of ice first. Winter weather advisories from McDonald to Berry, all the way the counties in blue. I won't list them all off here, but that does include Springfield and Greene County. Now, you go to a wider perspective and you go across the state, then we start talking winter storm watches from Columbia to St. Louis, and then, as I mentioned, back into Oklahoma and into Kansas. These are blizzard warnings, so you don't want to travel back towards the west tonight and into tomorrow. As for us right now, maybe a few raindrops, a little fog mist out there, 41 degrees over 37-degree dew point. Plenty of moisture in the atmosphere, but it is cold. North-northeast winds at 20 miles per hour. Look at the temperature difference. 67 in West Plains, 37 in Nevada and in Joplin. Meantime, we fall in between in the middle, 55 Branson. It's all going to be that cold air, and when that all seeps in back around that area of low pressure, when things change around here. But before that, there's plenty of moisture that's streaming into the Ozarks, so we're going to start with heavy rain overnight tonight and into early tomorrow. There's the snow on the backside of it. Here's the future cast. There's our area of low pressure. That passes by to our south, sends up showers and maybe some thunderstorms overnight into tomorrow. We don't expect any severe weather out of this, but some very heavy rains possible on the order of 1 inch to 2 inches of rain. So a little bit of flooding of low water crossings and some creeks and streams is possible. That's the first thing to watch out for. Then this slides east, taps into that cold air. I think we stay as rain, at least in central portions of our viewing area, through the late morning hours. Then as we head into early afternoon, things change over to snow, and it's going to be very particular about what time that happens, and that depends on how much snow you will see when that cold air wraps in. Then it's out of here. By Sunday, plenty of sunshine, highs in the lower 50s. So it's going to be short-lived, but it's going to happen pretty quickly. Overnight tonight, here comes the rains. Notice the intensity by 7 to 9 o'clock in the morning. Embedded thunderstorms, non-severe more than likely. Then into the afternoon, this is when I think things change over. But notice the high-res futurecast keeps a lot of this liquid. Don't be sold on that completely. I think we will see snow mixing in, and then things pushing out again very quickly as we head into Sunday, and then likely done. Now, here how much? Well, this is the big trick. Back towards the west where the cold air makes its way in, it is possible to go anywhere to 4 to 8 inches. Better chances of 4 to 6 inches. Anywhere in these grays, I think we see 1 inch of snow or less. Maybe a little bit of ice to start, but then changing over to snow pretty quickly. And then off towards the southeast, probably going to stay as all rain with maybe a couple of flurries mixing in. Either way, it's windy and wet tonight with showers and isolated storms. Things changing over tomorrow. Highs and lows, don't even worry about them. We're going to be in the 30s, and it's going to be cold. North winds around 15 to 20 miles per hour. But again, by Sunday, it's gone. Things melt. We're done. We're in the lower 50s. Monday, back up to 60. Then another front comes through Monday evening. We talk about an isolated shower or storm, maybe some scattered showers more likely. Then another system doing Thursday that brings us a chance for rain. Right now, I would advise against traveling anywhere along the Kansas-Missouri state line and into Oklahoma for the next day.
But there's still a lot of unknowns for this, and I guess as each hour goes, you know a little bit more.
Right. At this point in time, we're very confident on the fact that it won't be too bad into the central portion of our area, northwest. Stay tuned.
That's so far. Okay, thanks, Brad.
You're welcome.
Coming up tonight.